Does K18 work on curly hair? That is what so many of you want to know. So today I'm testing it out on my naturally wavy curly hair. So let's find out. To begin with, let's just take my hair out of its overnight pineapple bun that it's been in since yesterday. This is what my hair is currently looking like. It is in need of a cut, which as I'm filming this is actually happening tomorrow. So my layers have grown out a lot. It doesn't really have a lot of damage. Bear in mind that my hair is virgin hair, it's not dyed, it doesn't have any chemical services on it. I don't really use heat on my hair. The only heat I use on my hair is from the diffuser, which we know doesn't really cause too much damage. I have previously had a hair analysis and it said I didn't have any heat damage, even though I did diffuse my hair. The ends are in need of a cut, so we may have a little bit of damage there, just where as time goes by between cuts they just do get a little bit damaged. I probably have some mechanical damage on my hair because I brush style my hair, I brush my hair when it's wet. I feel like most people with long hair will have some kind of mechanical damage because you touch your hair, tie your hair up, all things like that. So those are the kinds of damage that I have. Today is Thursday and the last time I washed my hair was last Friday. So we're looking at about day 7, 8 hair, which actually this is looking very good for day 7 or 8 hair. All I've literally done to protect it is wear it in like my overnight pineapple bun hairstyle, so pretty happy with that. So what actually is K18? Who is it for? I'm gonna read the description straight off the website. This particular one is the Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. It's a leave-in treatment mask that works on the molecular level to reverse hair damage in just 4 minutes. The K18 peptide is clinically proven to repair damage from bleach and colour, chemical services and heat, with immediate and long-lasting results to restore strength, softness, smoothness and bounce to the hair. I don't have bleach and colour damage. I might have a bit of heat damage. I don't have any chemical damage on my hair. This is not sponsored or anything, but this was sent to me as a gifted product last year. I have tried it out a few times. The first time I tried it out, I didn't see any kind of difference because I don't think I used it right. And then I found out how to use it properly and I've used it a few times since. And to be honest with you, every single time I do use it, my hair looks much bouncier. So I just thought I would do a video sharing how I use it, especially as my hair is in need of a cut at the moment. It's feeling a little bit limp. The ends are definitely in need of probably about that much to be cut off. So I'm first going to jump into the shower, double cleanse my hair with a clarifying shampoo, no conditioner. I always prefer to shampoo my hair upright when I use the K18 treatment. I just find that when I wash my hair over the bath, it can create more tangles. This is why I feel like I just was so put off using the product for so long, because how could I wash my hair and not condition it? Like, it didn't make any sense to me. So I've double cleansed with the clarifying shampoo. I actually use the K18 peptide prep, I think it's called, but you can use whatever clarifying shampoo is your favorite. I then put this in my hair just while getting dressed, and now I'm going to take it out. So my hair has no conditioner in it and I can just about part it. You can see it looks dry, and it's gonna look like that after shampoo because shampoo lifts the cuticles of your hair so it can clean your hair, and then conditioner then smooths the cuticles. But because of how K18 works, you need to apply it to shampooed hair. It's normal that your hair is gonna look dry and tangly and knotty at this point, but just trust the process. So I'm actually gonna remove some of the water before I apply it. Now we apply it. So I'm gonna do 1 pump, maybe like 1.5 pumps for my hair, but I'll do 1 pump just to show you. Mix it together in my hands. You can see it hasn't really done much at this point, but if you keep mixing it, it's gonna go into like kind of like a white paste consistency, and that is when you apply it. So you really want to emulsify it in your hands until it looks like this. White hands, this is what you want your hands to look like. So I'm going to kind of apply it by roping it down my hair. But you can pat it on as well. I think the instructions do say to pat it on, so I'm just going to apply a tiny drop more, probably like that much more. Not even a pea size. Just because my hair is long, I just want to make sure that I'm covering all the length. Cool, this is a workout. A moment for the shed hair. Obviously I haven't detangled my hair at this point yet, so you will get some shedding, and also when you brush it through you're going to get some shedding as well. I've set a timer for 4 minutes and we're counting down. You basically just want to leave this in for 4 minutes and then you can detangle your hair. So when I previously applied this and I applied it wrong, firstly I applied conditioner, so I didn't apply it to my hair in the right state. Secondly, I didn't emulsify the product enough between my hands, so it was white on my hands. Thirdly, I don't think I patted it through. So this just goes to show that a lot of the time, especially with products like this, you do need to follow the instructions on the packet for it to work how it's supposed to work. The instructions are there for a reason, so why do we always ignore them? Oh, there's a timer. So basically what I'm saying is, if you've used it and it hasn't worked for you, try it again, but actually follow the instructions. And if you find that it hasn't worked for you and you have followed the instructions, your hair may just not be damaged, I guess. Maybe it just doesn't need it. So now we can detangle. I'm using the Tangle Teaser Naturally Curly Detangler. I'm just going to start at the ends and work my way up. Did I apply enough? It's detangling quite easy actually. There's so much hair on the brush though. This is because I didn't wash my hair for like 7-8 days, so it's just a build-up of a lot of hair that has shed. Remember that it's normal to shed 50 to 100 hairs a day, so if you're not washing your hair every day, especially with curly hair, it gets built up within your hair because it can't just glide out like it does with straight hair, so it comes out when you actually detangle it, whenever that is. It doesn't normally take me this long to detangle when I'm using the K18 treatment, but I think literally just because I left it so long, my hair was pretty knotty. But that's all detangled now, and I'll show you how much hair shed onto the brush. It's quite a nice hairball there. Sorry if you're squeamish. So now my hair is feeling really nice actually. It feels smooth, it feels soft but not overly soft. So let's apply my styling product. So I'm going to add a little bit more water to my hair before I apply my mousse. I just find it works much better on wetter hair. This is a new bottle actually. I just finished another bottle of this. I just love this mousse so much. I just find it so lightweight. You can really use quite a decent amount of it without it weighing your hair down. So it's really good if you feel like you need to use a bit more product. Maybe you've got a bit more frizz, or maybe you need a bit more hold. I just find that it just doesn't make my hair sticky or weigh my hair down, but that's just my personal experience with it. I'm just going to brush it through just to smooth. Bring it all to the side, and it is looking a bit stringy, so I'm just adding some more water. Just brush these ends through to get them to be a bit juicier. Shake and scrunch. It's actually not feeling wet at all. I think because I towel dried it, It got rid of a lot of the water, and with my hair being low porosity, it doesn't exactly get wet very easily when you want to re-wet it. That's better. I'm gonna now diffuse my hair dry and then I will be back. And here are the results. I have a slight cast from the mousse. I'm just gonna quickly scrunch out, but wow, I am really impressed with these results. And I do feel like the K18 has added a little bit more bounce to this wash day. I feel like it's not as juicy and clumpy as it has been on past wash days when I've used the K18, but I do purely think that's because my hair wasn't wet enough when I applied the mousse initially. But I can't really complain at these results, can I? I mean, they're pretty defined and juicy and bouncy. And I'm also excited to get it cut tomorrow so I can get a bit more lift up here. So in terms of usage on the K18 website, it just says use for 4 to 6 washes post salon service, then as needed. But the first couple of times that I used it, I noticed a real difference. And then now that I guess it's kind of repaired the damage, I don't see as much of a difference. I also noticed that there's a how much to use guide, which I clearly didn't follow because I only used like 1.5 pumps. But I would say my hair is medium thickness and long, so it says to use 2 to 3 pumps. So I probably could have used more. Maybe I would have seen more of a difference if I used more. Those are my results. That's how I use it. Let me know what you think of my results. Let me know if you've tried it. And yeah, as always, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm really trying to reach 100k subscribers this year, so it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.